ndio kitini huyu.
Hapana.
Sio hizi. Pole my sister, umekataliwa tu rudi. Unaweza angalia dashboard, unaangalia kitu inaitwa left right.
Welcome and welcome back. So today it's something different. We're learning some bit of culture, and maybe you can guess what we are going to do right now in the comment section below. So you can, this is how the decor is done. If you've watched the traditional circumcision ceremony, so the decor was different. So this is the decor for the Ruracio, or rather the traditional ceremony. So they have put the guards to symbolize the tradition. Then now this side is the groom side, the other side is now for the brides. The preparation is done, so now we enter into the main event. So the groom side have started singing. I think you can hear it from behind, and then the bride side is here. They're getting ready. So this is the barrier for, because it's modern, rather in an urban center. They have just kept this to put as a barrier. So the groom side is entering right now. Oh, sorry. So that's the groom side they're entering. They want to enter. The right side. So they need to ensure that let him through this. Now they have been let in. That whole exercise was just to be let in, or they give out the gift, which is now modernity is more of pesa. Then now they are now being welcomed into the brides or the girls' homestead with some songs and dance. So now we are out of the house. We're going to now start the function. This is the mom's bride, and then my mom, then me over here.
Hii ndio kitu bwana. Hii ndio kitu. Ni huyu. Sio hii.
Hapana.
Sio hii.
Pole my sister, umekataliwa tu Ruthi. Sasa wale lakini sasa tumewafunika kwa sababu
Marigo. Yes, wameondoa Marigo.
Sasa tumewafunika kwa sababu wamesweat, wakasweat, tukaona sasa hatuwezi kuja tu. Lakini labda hapo ndiye aliona mtu. Hebu tuone, hebu enda hapo uone kama huyo anti.
Nauliza aje? Kwani ulikuja peke yako?
Hapana.
Haya. Hebu nione kama wasichana wangu hapa kuna ule atapata bahati ya kuchaguliwa. Tuone kama anajuanga watu wake.
Unajua unaweza angalia dashboard, unaangalia kitu inaitwa left right. Autie. Gemi. Wapi Gemi?
Haya, huyo ni huyo. Uko na hakika ni huyo? Hautabadilisha? Ni yeye tu.
Kuja.
Ameamua. Na mtu akiamua, Karokemi tafadhali. Nitataka muende mkae.
The whole day has been dancing, singing and dancing. So then after that they went for the negotiation while the rest were singing and dancing. Then now they are done. The negotiations were successful. Yeah, so now it will just be some few introductions. Yeah, but that's it. So it's already late at night. The negotiations went up to late at night. Yeah, so that's it. If you've enjoyed, remember to subscribe and share with your family and friends. Till next time, goodbye.